Hey everyone, I'm Josh with atbbq.com, and today I'm going to walk you through the Fire Magic EL500 electric grill. When people think about electric grills, they think about apartment balconies and compromise. But Fire Magic developed this grill for the user who wants premium performance where charcoal and gas just aren't an option. And right away, this grill feels unmistakably Fire Magic. You'll find 304 stainless steel construction throughout, a double-walled lid for heat retention, and the kind of craftsmanship I associate with high-end grills. And let's get this out of the way. Can an electric grill actually perform? The EL500 runs on 240 volts, allowing it to reach temperatures up to 700 degrees. That means real searing capability, not just roasting or baking. And it gets there fast. In our testing, the EL500 was fully preheated and ready to cook in just 15 minutes. About the same time it'll take you to prep and to season your steak. To turn it on, you simply hold this button down until you see the display light up. And then hit set and the up arrow, and you can set your cooking temperature. Allow the grill to preheat, and you're ready to cook. The EL500 also features built-in probes and a timer function, giving you the information you need on the grill's display panel, or the optional RHP Connect Bluetooth app. One thing to note before purchase is the EL500 does require a dedicated 240 volt circuit, so if you don't already have one, you'll need to factor that into your installation costs. So if you've got a covered deck, a condo patio, or an HOA restricted home, this is the perfect grill for that situation. Now let's see how it cooks. The EL500 gives you 480 square inches of cooking space on the primary surface, perfect for families, small gatherings, or as a secondary grill in a larger outdoor kitchen. What surprises most people is how even the heat is. No chasing hot spots, no flare-ups, no wind interference. And with the two burners, you have the ability to sear on one side while roasting vegetables and sides on the other. For everyday grilling, the EL500 holds its own against even the best gas grills, and in some ways can outperform them, especially when it comes to temperature consistency and ease of use. And now, who is this grill for? I typically recommend the EL500 for three types of customers. First, someone building an outdoor kitchen where gas is simply not an option. Second, someone looking for simplicity and precision in their grill. And third, anyone looking to add a second high-end cooker to their backyard. The EL500 comes in two models, a pedestal version or built-in. If you'd like to come see it in person, check out the installation options and have our team run you through whether electric is right for you. Just stop by our showroom. For those of you who live outside the Wichita metro area, click the link below for more information or give our team a call and we'll walk you through it all. All things barbecue. Live outdoors.